Quick demo here on how I do glue my bed on my K1 here, Creality K1. So first I grab the, you can see it's looking pretty grungy, and usually it does great first layers. In my last print, the first layer was a little goofy, so I just put a little bit of glue all the way around. Nothing complicated. Then we take some alcohol, dump it on there, throw the cap on there. Then you take a coffee filter. This coffee filter, minimal lint as compared to like a paper towel. And I'm not trying to remove all the glue. I'm diluting the glue and spreading it evenly in a very thin layer. And you kind of can't wipe it too much for the most part because the glue is now on the coffee filter. And so it's always smearing a little bit thin layer of glue here. So I think if I just let that dry, I used a lot of alcohol in that one, strong smell, and wet fingers, but it should get the job done, and it should be pretty much near invisible once it dries, and then it should print very nicely. So let's start this print. I'm restarting this print primarily because I realized I accidentally left the brim on, which I do sometimes, and I didn't want to brim on this because I didn't want to, there's a bunch of slots and I don't want to have to clean the brim out of those. And then I got out here to do that, to restart it, and I realized that my filament had tangled by my own fault because I modified my filament supply. Just because it's, for the most part, it's easier than reaching around the back, and it's easier to make quicker filament changes. And so, all right, so this is, you can see, this is my video of watching paint dry. No, that's actually video of watching alcohol dry. It's funny, I can actually see a faint ghost of a part that I made out of TPU. That's interesting, but looks way less grungier now. And my prints should pop off, should stick nicely. The first layer should be perfect, and the prints pop off super easily after because of that microscopically thin layer of glue there. I mean, I can see it sort of barely, but it's like uniform, and it'll work out great. So give it a try, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and like and subscribe, and share with your friends, and hope to see you viewing more of my videos. Thanks for watching.